Hello everybody, so welcome to the 4th episode of how to create travel vlog intro in Kinemaster. Let's have a glimpse. Now, to create an intro, first gather all the clips that captures the best moments of your travel vlog. You can use your own recorded footages or download some from the internet. I have downloaded these from pexels.com. Open Kinemaster, select Create New, 16:9 aspect ratio, tap Next. Next, go to the folder where you have kept all the footages. So this is the folder. Next, I tap on the videos and bring them to timeline one by one. Next, we will set the sequence of the videos. I go through all the clips and drag and drop them to the desired position on timeline. See? This way. The YouTube intro can be around 15 to 45 seconds long, so I will delete some of the clips. Next, I will trim the clips one by one. So I select the clip and select the scissor tool to trim it, like this. I have kept the length of each clip around 2.5 to 3 seconds. You can also select the clip and drag like this to trim it. Repeat this for all clips. Next, we will do some color correction. So, you can either select the clip and select a proper color filter like this. You can set the intensity of the effect from here, or you can go to adjustment and change the contrast, saturation and other controls. Also select this vignette option. So I repeat this for every clip. Go to adjustments, change the controls and select the vignette option. Next, we will add sound effects. Now, adding sound effects is very important. It helps to connect with the visuals. So first, I will mute the sound of the video clip. Several sound effects are available in the asset store. So you can keep the original sound if it is clear, or else you can add a sound effect to audio, SFX. Select the sound effect and click on this plus sign. See, the effect is added. Next, I will trim the extra portion of the clip. Next, I will also go to volume envelope and set a fade in and fade out effect of the sound effect like this. Next, I will add a background music. I have already kept ready a background music. So I go to audio, go to the folder and select the background music. And tap on the plus sign to bring the background music on timeline. So I will listen to the whole song and keep only that part which I think is most appropriate. Next, after adding background music, you need to adjust the position of the clips on timeline as per the beats of the music. This I will repeat for all the clips. Next, we will add the pan and zoom effect to all clips. First select the clip, go to this pan and zoom button and select the initial position like this and the final position or the end position a bit different as I am doing here. It will give a movement like effect. Repeat this for all clips. Next, we will add transitions. So you need to install the Light Leaks transition from the asset store like this. The other two, the crossfade transition, fade through black transition, are already available. Next, I will tap on this plus sign, go to Light Leaks and select the first option. I will select the timings to 1 second. Let's see the effect. Good. Next, here we will add the crossfade transition. So tap on the plus sign, select classic transition and then crossfade. I will select the timings to 0.5 seconds. In this way, I add transition to every point. Now I will add the title. So I go to Layers, Text and then add the name of the place. I will go to Text Options and increase the character spacing. Next, I will select the text again and change the font. Let me set it to Montserrat Bold. So now I add a fade in transition of 1 second and a fade out. Let me adjust it properly. I adjusted at the vertical and horizontal center. Next, I will go to blending and let me change the mode. So let me see how overlay looks. I think this is okay. So now I will add some animation. I will go to the key option and then add animation like this. Finally, I will add the cinematic frames. So go to Asset Store, Stickers, Frames and add cinematic frame from here. Install this frame. I already have this installed. Then I will go to Layers, Stickers, Cinematic Frame and I will select this option. Let me extend it to the end. Now I will add an audio fade in and fade out effect. Next, I'll tap on video and add a video fade in and fade out effect. And finally, I will export the intro. So finally, let's view the output. in comments if you like this intro and whether you want more travel vlog intro ideas like this. Now, if you want to create this YouTube intro, watch video on left. Or if you want to get more ideas on how to make travel vlog intro in Kinemaster, watch playlist on right. So see you there in my next video. Thanks for watching.